hello. It's really exciting to have you all here. Today we are going to see how Grant Cardone's The 10x Rule book helped me to achieve success. I'm just like you. Every year I used to make a laundry list of goals and predominantly will focus my top 5 goals, 3 to 5 goals, and the goals related to my personal aspect will always get into my backyard. But after reading this 10x Rule book from Grant Cardone, my perceptions towards goal setting process completely got changed, and I thought of sharing you all those lessons quickly. So in this video, let us see what are the common mistakes which people tend to make towards their goal setting process, and what are the 7 fundamental principles Grant Cardone is discussing in this book quickly. So one thing, the 10x rule basically simplifies and demystifies the phenomenon of what success is and what it takes to be successful. This golden 10x rule book basically guarantees you that you will get what you want in abundance, provided you are taking actions towards it. You cannot get into your next phase of your life without grandeur mindset, accelerated actions and extra horsepower. So set 10x goals, spend 10x more efforts towards your planned actions. So let us see what are the common 5 mistakes which people tend to do when they are setting up the goals. Number 1, mistargeting by setting objectives that are low to their caliber, or people tend to set objectives which is easily achievable. Second, they either severely underestimate or overestimate what it will take in terms of action, resources, money and energy to accomplish that objective. The third most thing is, most of us, we spend too much of time competing in this competitive world rather than putting our enough time and focus towards dominating in our sector. And we also tend to underestimate the amount of adversity that we need to overcome while achieving these objectives. Kindly understand, success is very important in our life and there is no shortcut to success. Please don't misread me. I am not giving you any shortcut to success. Success is not something that happens to you. It is something that happens because of you and because of the actions you take. So what are the key takeaways? Never ever reduce a target. Increase your action. And whenever you start rethinking about your objectives and start making excuses, you are basically letting yourself off hook about giving up on your dreams. So become obsessed about the things you want in your life. Become obsessed about the things you want in your life. Otherwise you are going to spend rest of your life regretting about what you had missed in your life. Never ever dilute the greatness. Never ever pull back your horsepower. Never put your limit on your ambition, your passion or your drive. The ability to be obsessed is not any disorder. It is basically a gift if you are obsessed about the right things. Any target attacked with the right set of actions in right amounts with the persistence is always achievable. So set 10x targets and word it as if you had achieved, so that your mind will start visualize it with that excitement and break out your mediocre mindset. Second most important thing is, align up your objectives towards your passion and purpose. so that you will give your complete, focus and attention towards it. The third thing is, it's like, an eye-opener for me. It's a simple magic which we all can do. Write them. Write your 10x objectives every day, morning and the night, before you, wake up out of your bed and before you go to sleep, so that you are actually playing it back every day and you are making your subconscious mind to be, tuned towards your objective. The more it gets tuned, you will put your complete focus and you will be driven automatically towards your objectives. 4. Make a plan of actions with a margin of safety. Anticipate the obstacles and hurdles that is on the path, so that you won't give up in the middle, because you have anticipated the uncertainty well ahead and you were prepared for it. So make a plan with a clear anticipation of the hurdles and obstacles on your path. Understand the secret mantra. 10x goals into 10x actions is always equal to 10x opportunities. The more actions you take, the more lucky you will become. So now let us see what are the 7 principles Grant Cardone is discussing in this book. Number 1, demand greatness. Don't ever compromise on yourself. Demand greatness. And number 2, don't ever make excuses. Number 3, improve your work ethic. 4, go big. Your objective should be big, and you should be bold enough to take bigger risk and invest bigger effort and energy to achieve it. Number 5, focus. Have a consistent focus on it. Number 6, be on the offense. And number 7, finally, show up consistently. Anything and everything, if you are being consistent, you will get it. Nobody can, take it away from you. So these are all the 7 fundamental principles which Grant Cardone is discussing, with a lot more passion towards, achieving this 10x success. So I hope you all had a wonderful takeaway from this session. And start setting up 10x targets, invest 10x more efforts, and reap the benefit of success always in your life. See you very soon. Bye-bye.